This is a special lock to me. This is the Ruko that Nigby sent me. This has gin spools. I mean, so you have to use two different turning tools to float to set the pins to get it open. I'm gonna try to open it on camera, and then I'll talk a little bit about it. Okay. I think I have it down into the deeper false set. So I set the two pins at the back, and now I gotta come up to the front and try to float pick this. 1, 2. 3. Okay, yeah, that's open. Okay, so like you've seen, I had the two different tension tools on there because you have to counter rotate to get the spools, the gin spools, out of the counter milling on the bottom of them. And this is actually my very first experience with both a ruko and gin spools, and this was not an easy lock to get into. And you know, just again, Nigby, thank you. This is an amazing lock. But yeah, that is the ruko with gin spools.